In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool for managing your business finances, providing you with access to all your accounting needs wherever you have an internet connection. That flexibility can be an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping track of expenses, invoices, payroll, and more routines of running a business. So if you're looking to streamline your financial processes, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process in just a few simple steps. First, you're going to want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. QuickBooks Online offers a variety of plans catered to different business needs, so be sure to explore their site for more information if you're not already familiar with their offerings. However, today our focus is on getting you signed up and started with your QuickBooks account. Once you're on the QuickBooks Online homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the navigation options available to you. This will become your main hub every time you log in to manage your financials, but for now locate the sign in button, which you'll find situated conveniently at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will take you one step closer to accessing your QuickBooks Online account. After hitting that sign in button, you'll notice several choices on the screen. You'll want to click on the QuickBooks Online option to proceed. QuickBooks offers multiple services, and selecting the right one ensures smooth navigation to the login section specifically designed for QuickBooks Online users. Clicking on this link should direct you to the login page where you'll authenticate your credentials to access your account. At the login page, you'll need to type in your account details. This will include your email address and password. It's crucial to ensure that the email address you enter is the one linked to your QuickBooks Online account. Double check for any typos or input errors, especially with your password. If it's your first time here, or if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Below the login area, there's typically an option to either set up your account or recover your password if necessary. Once you've entered your email and password correctly, it's time to officially sign into the QuickBooks Online system. Below the credential fields, there's a prominent sign in button. Before you click it though, just ensure that the Keep Me Signed In option is checked, particularly if you're using a personal device. This feature can save you time in the future by maintaining your login session across visits. When you're ready, go ahead and click the Sign In button. And just like that, welcome to your QuickBooks Online account. From this point, you have the freedom to start managing your business finances efficiently. As you explore, take note of the dashboard overview, which offers valuable quick insights into your financial status. Familiarize yourself with the tabs and sections available, such as transactions, expenses, invoices, and payroll, each serving a specific part of your accounting needs. Remember, getting the most out of QuickBooks Online may require a bit of learning initially, but its intuitive interface and wide range of tools are designed to make bookkeeping as simple as possible. There's a host of tutorials, customer support, and community forums at your disposal to assist with any inquiries you might have as you navigate through setting up your account and inputting financial data. That's about it for today's guide on how to access QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to sign in and start using QuickBooks Online to track and manage your business financials efficiently. Whether it's organizing expenses, sending invoices, or even managing payroll, QuickBooks Online can be your go-to tool for all things finance related, ensuring accuracy, accessibility, and ease of use across the board. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find QuickBooks as useful and transformative for your business as millions of other entrepreneurs do. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.